Unlock your potential, the power of transferable skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly valuable concept that can transform your career and personal growth: transferable skills. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply looking to enhance your skill set, understanding this concept is a game changer. Let's explore what transferable skills are and why they matter so much. Transferable skills are abilities that can be applied in various contexts, beyond the situation or role where they were originally learned. These are the skills that you carry with you from one job to another, across different industries and aspects of your life. Flexibility and adaptability are at the heart of transferable skills. Some common examples include communication, the ability to convey information effectively, both verbally and in writing. Problem solving, the capacity to find solutions to challenges and issues. Teamwork, working well with others towards a common goal. Leadership, the ability to guide and inspire a team. Time management, efficiently managing your time to meet deadlines and accomplish tasks. In today's ever-changing job market, employers are not just looking for technical skills or specific job experience. They value employees who can adapt to new situations, learn quickly, and bring a diverse set of skills to their team. Transferable skills make you more versatile, employable, and resilient in the face of change. Career flexibility, they allow you to pivot across different industries or roles. Employability, enhance your resume and make you a more attractive candidate. Adaptability, equip you to handle the evolving demands of the modern workplace. Developing transferable skills involves both self-reflection and active learning. Here's how you can get started. 1. Identify your skills. Reflect on your experiences and identify the skills you've used in various contexts. 2. Seek opportunities to grow. Look for opportunities to develop these skills further, whether through new projects, volunteering, or online courses. 3. Demonstrate your skills. Use specific examples in your resume, cover letters, and interviews to showcase how you've applied these skills in different settings. Understanding and leveraging your transferable skills can open doors to numerous opportunities and career paths. They are the key to not just surviving but thriving in today's dynamic world. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of transferable skills and how you can harness their power. Remember, every experience teaches you something valuable that you can carry forward. Keep learning, keep growing, and see where your skills can take you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.